I'm Cailey Hinz, and today I'm going to tell you about the African violet. Its common name is St. Paulia ionatha, which is actually one of the 6 species of African violets, but probably the most common seen as houseplants. They're in the family Gesneraceae. They're native to Tanzania and the shady rock ledges of the Usambara Mountains. They prefer a great deal of light, but not direct light. It will cause sun scorch, so north and east facing windows are perfect for them. They prefer evenly moist soil, and there are plenty of containers sold in stores that will keep soil like that, such as this one, which is an unglazed pot within another, so the water can seep through as it is needed. But any container with a drainage hole in the bottom will do. You can water it from the top, but you'll want to be careful not to wet the crown too much or allow any water to stand on the leaves. That will cause burn spots. And so in that case, it is frequently easier to water from the bottom, as you see here. So you can take your container with a drainage hole in it and just set it in a bowl of water until you see that the top layer of the soil is moist. And you'll want to wait until the top soil is dry before you water again. To protect these bottom petioles here that are sensitive just like all other parts of this plant, you may want to cover the rim of your pot with foil or tape to keep them from rotting. Some interesting information about the name of this plant. Its scientific name, St. Paulia. It was actually originally discovered by Sir John Kirk and Reverend W.E. Taylor, were the first Westerners to discover it, and submitted samples to the Royal Botanic Gardens in 1884 and 1887 respectively. However, their samples were insufficient for identification, so it was not until 1892 when Baron Walter von St. Paul Hilaire, the district commissioner of what is now Tanzania, sent seeds to his father, who was a plant enthusiast in Germany. And once the plants begin to filter through the German culture, they were called St. Paulia after the Baron, and that is now their accepted scientific name, and that is the African violet.